right.
Help! Help! The police are being horrible! Help! And you wonder why the
handcuffs on you, and then we're gonna help you back up once the handcuffs are on.
So you didn't kill me? So you didn't kill me?
I really want nothing.
Help! 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 They're killing me! Help! Please help! Please help!
The police received a call about an intoxicated woman who was harassing customers in front of a liquor store. Watch how the whole drama escalated as she was trying to walk away when the police were asking her questions, and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more body cam videos.
What's the matter?
Honestly, I don't feel comfortable until I'm told I can put my arms up.
Put your arms down.
Are you sure?
Yeah. What are you doing?
I want to test that.
Okay, we'll be in there in a second, man. What are you doing?
He was doing a lot of drugs.
Who?
Other people were doing other things.
Who?
And him and other people.
Okay.
I've been trying to save my fellow employees.
Do you work here at the Jiffy Mart?
I work at the Beeswax.
Okay,
So the late night employee handle of whoever you can.
so what's going on in the store today?
Explanation. I don't feel comfortable putting an explanation out because for B-Backs and everything else.
I don't care about B-Backs. What's going on in the store, in this Jiffy Mart?
It was not here. It was outside of the store.
Alright, so what's going on outside the store?
This was a chase to the store.
Call somebody to come pick you up.
What family?
I don't care.
He said somebody, not family.
Somebody.
You can't be here, okay?
Give a
So
shit who
what
it
do you-
is, just call somebody. You're out
what
here
do you guys?
intoxicated.
Huh?
So what do you guys? Because you guys are my family.
No, we're not. Call someone. Do you have a phone?
Okay.
Where's your phone at? Do you have a phone in your pockets?
You know what, TJ. Yeah, you don't.
Who can come pick you up?
The bed is.
Walk that way.
How?
Just walk straight.
Put one foot in front
I
of
just
the
want to see you walk. You don't have to do anything special.
So where can we get you to? Can we give you a courtesy ride somewhere safe? Okay, can't go in there.
It's locked.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, I wonder how we planned that.
Stop.
I wonder how we planned to fucking keep me from going
Sit
inside.
down.
Is that the
No,
liquor store?
no.
Samantha, who lives on New York Street in Melbourne?
My parents, they don't care about me.
Do you have a phone number for them?
Why? So y'all can keep me from going inside?
Can I call your parents? Do you have a phone number? You need to relax. You need to stay still. Have a seat.
I didn't do it.
Come on. Just don't make it worse. We're trying to get you some help before we have to take you to the hospital, okay? Come have a seat.
Just sit
Come have
down
a
on the
seat.
ground.
We're gonna figure it out.
Sit
Come on.
down.
Come on. Have a seat right there. Just
Help!
right.
Help! 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 The police are being horrible! Help! And you wonder why the
handcuffs on you, and then we're gonna help you back up once the handcuffs are on,
So you
okay?
didn't kill me? So you didn't kill
I
me?
really want nothing.
Help! 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 They're killing me! Help! Please help! Please help! Please help!
That's not nice.
Neither were you, nigga bitch.
Oh. Your card. You better relax. Let's go.
Battery Elliot.
Yeah, let's go. Fucking nigger ass bitch ass. Cause y'all are fucking pussies.
I ride with him.
And hey, you, I don't agree with this.
What's your name?
No, I see it. I see it. I know you don't agree with
What are you
this.
doing?
You, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing agreeing with these motherfuckers? How?
after my
Who
trunk.
didn't kill your fucking daughter?
After my trunk?
Why are you fighting this? Hey!
Oh, no.
No! You know you hate doing
I'm gonna
this!
get off your legs, okay?
No, I know you hate doing this to them! That's why you already
You
did
calm
it!
down.
I know you hate this!
Do not get up, okay? If
I'm not wrong, am I?
If you get up, I'm
Am I wrong?
gonna put you back down.
Am I wrong? I'm not fighting. I'll keep rolling around. Am I wrong?
Nope.
How do you go home to your girls after this?
We're gonna give you a ride.
How do you
okay?
go home to your girls after this? You don't. You don't. Your girls hate you. Your girls hate you because you know this is wrong. Because I'm gonna be raped and other shit, and you know your girls hate you. No, this is why you help me.
I'm gonna help you. Yes, we're gonna help you get a ride. Okay.
Don't look at me like that. That's why you help me. And because of your job, that's why you can't further help me.
Have a seat in the I got an appointment for you. Have a seat.
Have a seat. Samantha, I'm gonna make you sit down, or are you gonna sit down? Just sit down.
Are you gonna sit home?
Put your feet all the way in.
You keep making eye contact because you are. I don't like that I broke you like this.
Oh, we're not the broken ones.
I'm still in pain, so.
Just lay
no,
down.
like
Just
actual
go
physical
down on your
pain
knees,
from
please.
like.
Go down on your knees.
Lay down. Come on, you have to lay down.
No, I'm going to.
Perfect. Thank you for your cooperation, Lynn.
So I'm glad when y'all get arrested for me going to jail for you being fucking.
And all we're gonna do is just sit back in the car now. Again.
How are you legally?
Enforcement officers.
While you're laughing?
You guys
Over this way.
While you're laughing, While you're laughing.
All right, have a seat.
While you're laughing.
Have a seat.
While you're laughing.
Sit down.
All right, have a seat.
Well, no, I'm not
down.
making it easy while he's laughing.
Sit down.
I know you're not proud of this.
Put your feet in there.
No, I know you're not proud of this. I know you. I know you have the time to talk to me. No, I want to know. How is it fair to cuff me like this? When
Because
they
you're kicking the
didn't,
door.
when they didn't pair me politely for
Sit
other
down with your
shit.
seatbelt.
Please make sure they're okay. Can you please make sure my
Look this way.
Can you make sure my dog?
Put your back against the wall. I'll make sure. Okay. Put your
No,
back against the wall.
it's okay. They couldn't fight me being gay.
Re-glove. Hey, put your feet in that car, okay?
Make it a fight for my emotional support animal.
Put your feet in the car, please.
Make it to where I want my dog.
I will help you get your dog here. Put your feet in the car.
You'll make sure my dog's okay.
Yes, put your feet in the car.
Promise.
Put your feet in the car.
Promise with
I
that.
don't promise anything. Put your feet in the car. Please put your feet
I
in the
won't
car.
move.
Leave doing this for me.
And my dog is gonna die from cancer. That's my life. And this one literally didn't care because he let his dad die. Fucking Palm Bay police officer, you fucking piece of shit. No, he didn't care. You know I'm not gonna stop fighting.
Yeah, because you don't probably.
You know.
bring
You
me
know
out,
for
right?
Nolan and everything. I will not. You know this. You know. So why are you trying to do your job to fight us? We are your family, you piece of shit. I'm sorry, your job pays for your family more. That's why you can't look at me. Because it hurts you.
Hey, is there room by your...
No, that's why it hurts you. It hurts you.
Stop. Put your feet in there.
You already know I broke the fucking helmets for a reason.
Yeah. Put your feet in there, please. Get through the eyelid only. Yeah.
Yeah, you want to fight me?
No, I don't want to fight you at all, okay?
I know you don't, because you want to talk about the family after.
You'll lose.
Yeah, you're not gonna be a stepdaddy after. You're not gonna fucking be a daddy to any of the kids after this. Fuck you piece of shit.
Grab me some gloves from the haircut.
I don't give a fuck. Please break my leg. I'm not letting go. You're letting go of their dad, mom, or me. I'm done. I'm done.
Go, it's not wrapped around it.
No, I'm fucking done.
Get my gloves on real quick and I'll help you. Let go of it.
Let's ask Uncle Owen how this goes. How do we go home? For him to ask to kill us, right?
Car.
The drug addict.
Yes, I know
to
you're
kill
on drugs.
us.
Okay, get back.
Push your foot in there.
I'm gonna push her in a second, yeah.
She's gonna try.
And we'll set her up. She's facing this way, but he's gonna untie the rope.
I know you're mad I didn't mean to bleed.
We're not mad at all with you, okay? All I need you to do is get out of the car and lay on the ground again, okay? And I can help you get down if we need to, okay?
I'm not moving.
I got this. Hold on.
I refuse without help. That way I don't get hurt.
I'll help you stand up, okay? We're gonna walk this way.
Can you please take the head thing off?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. No, he's making that. That they're laughing at.
Pull her chest in there.
That's why.
Pull this.
That's where they're like, can you do it? I wonder what Daddy's gonna say after. What his mom's gonna say in the grave. Yeah, I wonder what Gwen's gonna say in the grave, Daddy. Yeah, Daddy.
What's today's date?
Because you let me know what it is.
What year is it?
You rolled your eyes over the answer. Who had that on camera?
All four of you. Do you want to go to the hospital?
Why?
Well, they're saying you're not acting correctly, so we just want to make sure that you don't need medical attention. I have to ask you questions.
Ask Grace Ryder my fucking answers.
Alright, so once we get her in here, me and you'll pick her up.
Oh yeah, I will love when my porn star rookies get that on fucking camera. Hope you know, I do get this on camera.
Where do you live at?
Y'all sure already know us.
I'm a fireman. I don't know where you live.
Too bad you suck at your job.
Yeah, no.
Your rookie left. So I mean,
This guy's not a rookie. He's been around for a while.
So why you?
Listen, let's just get this.
If we can get him off, she was just
Going to
having
the
a
hospital.
We're gonna put you in this nice big stretcher, okay? Nice and easy to pick up, right? It's so nice.
No, it's that
helps us not having
And then you just drop them. Yeah. My camera's on while I'm in there, guys, so you know. I don't think it's super long. 47. Oh wait.